Okay, so let's look at abbreviation, acronym, and abstract noun. So abbreviation, make words shorter with full stops or using fewer letters in general. So the word conjugation is conj. Adjective adj. Adjective and conj. Conjugation and adjective. So we make things shorter. Do not and don't, for example. Do not and don't. Can or can't. Cannot turns into can't or cannot. Yeah. Make it shorter. Quite useful. Acronym. Acronym. A kind of abbreviation. An abbreviation that only uses the first letters, and with those it creates a new word. So ASAP, as soon as possible. As soon as possible turns into ASAP. ASAP. Rather than saying ASAP, we use the acronym ASAP to mean ASAP. So ASAP. ASAP. And the UK, United Kingdom. Makes sense. Rather than saying United Kingdom, we just say UK. I'm going to the UK. Makes sense. Same with USA. USA. Rather than saying United States of America, we just say USA. USA. An acronym. How cool is that? An abstract noun. The name of something that can't be touched. You can't touch it, nor can you. You can't touch it, nor can you feel it per se. You can touch a book. So that's a concrete noun, but abstract noun is hope. Hope. Happiness. Can't touch happiness. Sadness. Sadness. But sadness. Can you touch sadness? Can you stroke sadness? Can you pat happiness on the head? There. No. So they're abstract. We can't touch them, but they exist. Hope, happiness, sadness. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.